Imagine this. It's the absolute brutal peak of a Rochester winter. Snow drifts are towering, and every square inch of clear asphalt is gold. You've just spent hours, back-breaking hours, shoveling out your perfect, hard-won parking spot. A little piece of heaven in a frozen hell. You finally get to relax, knowing your spot is waiting. But then you look out your window. And there it is. Not your car, but their car. Your infuriating, entitled neighbor, who couldn't be bothered to lift a finger, has just brazenly parked their vehicle right in your painstakingly cleared spot. Just like that, unspoken rules shattered, pure entitlement on display. That feeling, it wasn't just anger. It was a cold fury, a deep sense of disrespect that simmered beneath the surface. Mara, our protagonist, felt the delicate balance of communal living absolutely shatter. You've been wronged and every fiber of your being demands. Well, something. This wasn't some impulsive outburst. Oh no. From that moment of simmering frustration, Mara began to plan. Meticulously, every step became a chilling testament to ingenious payback. She moved from quiet observation to precise, calculated planning, transforming a casual slight into a monumental comeuppance. What happens when the scales of justice are rebalanced not with words, but with cold, hard consequences? What happens when payback isn't just satisfying, but truly epic, leaving a lasting impression that echoes through the neighborhood? Remember that title. He stole my blizzard-shoveled spot. His car froze solid when This isn't just a story. It's a chilling account of real-life drama, proving that sometimes justice is served best. On ice. Want to see how one woman transformed a simple slight into an unbelievable, frozen retribution? Witness the precise details of Mara's brilliant plan unfold. Watch the full, deeply satisfying story now. Link in bio.